Now we are going to do the rest of implementation. We should have a meaningful name for the all controllers, but at the moment txt num1, and you better to having a wonderful name, but at the moment, by considering time, I'm not going to not going to put some meaningful name, but in the real application you're supposed to come up with the meaningful names. Txt num2. Okay, let's go inside of this one, and we are going to get the int num1 and equal txt. Now we are going to take this the value from the text box 1 dot value text, sorry, text, that's not value property, yeah, text. Now you can see if I do that one, it's going to be give an error because of a text property returns always string value, but we are going to take this value to the integer value. We cannot do, and the only possible way is try pass is the most best way, but by considering the objective of this demonstration, I'm not going to consider about the try pass. I just use int int dot pass. But if you are doing in the real application, you have to come up with the code optimization and all of these, so you cannot use this one. Instead of that, you have to use something like try pass or something. Okay, do the same thing for the okay, and the same way we are making a variable called num2, and we are assigning the text value from the num2, and the meaning like the same way we need the result. I'm making another integer variable for the result. We are not going to do the calculation within this method. We are taking from our library. We can access the library through this object. Sorry, text, and put it here dot add cs method. Could you remember if you forgot this method, please look at the previous implementation. It is mentioned in the C# applications containing this method. Okay, now we have to send the two parameters num1 comma num2. Okay, let's go ahead and run how it works, and we have to put this result in the label lbl result. Could you remember dot text equal this one dot to string. Okay, let's go ahead and run how it works. This is not working. Definitely it is building, definitely it's built, but it's not working. Okay, I run this project. Now it's not going to be work. I will explain why is it that. Load in the calculator cs.dll. Now it's gonna be error because DLL cannot find. Okay, let's stop this one and go to the open file and explorer. Now you can see there's a project, and within the project you can see the bin drive, and really no DLL link here, though you need the wrapper DLL and bin as well. Okay, let's go and put our product in exact product what we need here. Copy this one and put it here. Okay, replace all of these. Now let's run it. Now it's work. Okay, now it's work. You can see 5 and 6, then add. Okay, something goes wrong. Why is that? Okay, the thing is that we are putting we are designing our UI. We have to consider about all the three other widgets locations. 5, 6, then it's gonna be 11. Okay, how about, okay, then you can check it's working. No, fantastic, it's working. So you can try out for the rest of these. I mean, what we have done is we have already made this DLL with binary with the C language. So you cannot integrate the C languages with structured programming. You definitely see it is not a structured language. You have to use the C++, but actually even you use the C++, have allows you to make the structured programming. It means similar to C. And once you make it in the C language, you cannot directly integrate with C sharp. So you need a wrapper, C++ wrapper, and you use that C++ wrapper to convert into the object-oriented view. And also this is in the binary format. This C++ having a dual running mechanism. It means something like it. Visual C++ having a command line, CLI, common language runtime runtime framework. So, like by using this feature, it's it become a .NET oriented language. It means .NET oriented binaries. Not exactly. This is containing a pure binary which can run in some PC, but this DLL not containing any kinds of binary. It is in the common language MSDL file. If you go and see the properties, you can see it's MSDL. Application unknown because of all the details are not there. Detail application. Okay. This is application DLL, but it is a MSDL file. You can use MS okay, you can use Microsoft decomposers to decompose this file, but you cannot see the inside of this file because of this is a complete binary. And C# allows to use these kinds of files as a reference. So these kinds of projects as a reference. So we have used calculator.csdl to use this wrap application, and it means this DLL call into this DLL, and this DLL going to call to the ultimate function. This is in C++, this is in C#, this is nearly, it's almost a structured programming, it's similar to C. Okay. I'm not going to implement the rest of button, or all the implementation of the rest is quite similar to this one. So you can try out by yourself, but I'm going to do something different. Build this one and run it again for you. If you're interested on minus value, minus 20 for this one, and minus this one, and you can add it and you can get something different value. Okay, now I'm going to do something different. It means we are going to implement the same, we are going to use the same DLLs for the web project. Okay.